Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The graphs of f of x equals to x negative to the whole square and g of x are shown in the xy plane above. If the graphs intersect at point 5, 9, which of the following is the equation of g of x? Actually, this f of x represents the parabola we have over here, and the g of x represents the line we have over here. Okay, so according to the question, we have to find the equation which represents the function g of x. That is, we have to get the equation of the line over here. Okay, here let's consider the y-intercept of the parabola. That is the point at where the parabola intersects y-axis. Actually, this is the y-intercept of the parabola and the line as well, because this y-intercept of both the parabola and the line intersect. Okay, now to get the y-intercept of the parabola, what I have to do is I have to plug in x equals to 0 into the equation of the parabola. Okay, now let me consider the function f of x which represents a parabola. Okay, let me write it over here. F of x equals to x negative 2 the whole square. Okay, when we have the graph of this function in an xy plane, this f of x represents a y coordinate. So we can replace this f of x by y. Then the equation of the parabola becomes y equals to x negative 2 the whole square. Now, to get the y-intercept of this parabola, what I have to do is I have to plug in x equals to 0. So at the y-intercept, always the x-coordinate is 0. Okay, now let me plug in 0 for this x over here. Then I'm getting y equals to 0, negative 2 the whole square. Then we get y equals to negative 2 the whole square. Then we get the evaluation of this negative 2 the whole square is 4. Okay, I got the y-coordinate of the y-intercept of the parabola, that is 4. Already we know that x-coordinate is 0. So the point over here is 0, 4. So as I said already, this is a y-intercept of the parabola and the line as well. So we have 2 points on the line, 0, 4 and 5, 9. Let me write those 2 points, 0, 4 and 5, 9. Okay, now let me take this point as x1, y1. And this point as x2, y2. Okay, when we know the 2 points on a line, there is a formula to get the slope of the line, that is m equals to y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. Okay, m equals to the value of y2 is 9, negative the value of y1 is 4, and the value of x2 is 5, the value of x1 is 0, 9 negative 4 is 5, 5 negative 0 is 5, 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now I got the slope of the line L given by this function g of x. So that is 1. Now we can write the equation of this line in slope-intercept form, that is y equals to mx positive b. Okay, here the slope of the line m, we got it, that is 1. We can plug in 1 for this x and we get 1x. And this b represents the y coordinate of the y-intercept. We know that the y-intercept of the line is 0, 4. In this y-intercept, the y coordinate is 4. So this is the value of b over here. So we can plug in 4 for b over here. Then I'm getting y equals to 1 times x is x positive 4. Okay, now I got the equation of the line that is given by the function g of x. So we find this equation y equals to x positive 4 and answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.